Hello, welcome to the Apex Networks training for the RMS system. This is part of our online training program developed by Apex Networks to assist you in getting the very most from your software. This short video will cover staff rotas and holidays. We recommend you play this video on a separate device from that you are setting your system up on. This will allow you to pause, rewind and keep pace of your progress without having to switch screens. The staff rota function is a useful part of RMS, especially when used in conjunction with the staff holiday planner. Both functions cover all staff within your company. Rotors are set up in the HR application, but can be viewed from any of the 4 recovery modules: recovery, parking, workshop or hire, giving easy access. To view the work rota from the recovery screen, go to the employee and select work rota. This will open up the rota on the Monday of the current week and will allow you to scroll for a further 4 weeks by using the slider at the bottom. If you have a large number of staff members, there is another slider on the right to allow you to scroll down the list. There is also a filter settings function which allows you to filter by employee type. This will be either all, driver, technician or user. There is also a filter by employee groups if you are using these. Next is a site filter for use if your company operates multiple sites. The date filter will allow you to pick a date from the drop-down calendar, or the arrow either side will move back or forwards in 4-week blocks. The clock icon will set the rota at the current week view. There is a button at the bottom right to allow you to print the rota. This will give you a date range along with other filter options. Along the bottom on the left is the colour coding used for highlighting holidays, etc. Often in the recovery industry, the rotas are built around a combination of staff availability, workflow and business needs. This can lead to fairly complex rotas being required. With Apex RMS, you should be able to create work patterns for all your needs, all consolidating into one for driver, technicians or users. To begin setting the rotas up, go to the HR application and on the orange menu bar at the top, hover over the work rota icon. There are 3 options here: Edit work rota, set up rota patterns, and apply rota patterns. The first thing that you will need to do is set up your required rota patterns. When you have selected this option, there is a button at the bottom marked Create New Rota Pattern. You will need to name the rota. This is just for your identification and will allow you to select the correct pattern if you wish to apply other members of staff to it. There is a drop-down to select which day of the week that you wish to start the pattern on. This only needs to be applied if the rota pattern is made up of 7 days or multiples of 7 days. Besides this is a counter that will show how many days this rota covers. Below this is the section that will show the days as they are applied. At the bottom is the section where you can add the shift and rest days to create your pattern, allowing you a start and finish time with a tick box for on-call duties if required. Once you have added the first day details and clicked on Add, you will have an additional button to copy last day to save you having to add the details for repeated days. When you have added the required rostered days, you can add empty days to show rest days. For example, if you had a rota that followed a flow of days, lates and nights, working 6 working days on and then 3 off, you would apply the first 6 days on, then 3 empty days, the times for the 6 late shifts, followed by 3 empty days, and lastly the times for the 6 night shifts, with 3 empty days. The pattern will then repeat itself, giving you a continual rota plan, and the counter at the top will show how many days this pattern covers. Once you have saved the pattern, another button will be at the bottom marked Apply Pattern. This will open the window that allows you to apply staff to this rota pattern. This is the same as clicking on the Apply Rota Pattern in the drop-down menu. Here you can select from site if your company uses multiple sites, employee type, driver, user or technician. There is also the ability to select employee groups and the rota pattern that you wish to choose for these people to be in. Once you have added someone, you will need to add the date that you wish this to begin. For staff who are already established on a rota, simply go back to the date when they would have started the cycle and it will follow the pattern correctly. Staff will then be able to see their rota on their employee portal and plan for rest days or holidays. The rotas will be able to be seen by desktop system users. Using the rota in conjunction with the holiday planner will also allow for easier staff management. To set up the holiday planner, you will need to go to the HR section and then to Setup. From the drop-down, select Manage Holiday Years. You will be able to set up the start and finish dates of your company's holiday year span. To do this, click on the button at the bottom left, marked New Holiday Year. Once you have entered the start date, the end date will automatically populate. Then, name the holiday year and follow on to the Entitlement section. This allows you to add a holiday entitlement for all employees if their entitlement is all the same. Click on Save and your holiday year is ready for you to add any mandatory holidays if your company has them. In each employee folder, there is a tab marked Holidays. Here you can see employees' holiday entitlements for the year selected, how many days have been taken, allocated and remaining. Below this, you will see any holidays booked, along with a button to add new if they wish. All workers have their own employee portal that they can access either through the desktop system, from the menu, then Information and Links, then click on the User Portal button. Or for PDA users, they can link to the employee portal from their PDA. There is also the option to go to a web browser and log in there for everyone. Desktop users can book a holiday for a worker that does not or cannot access any of these options. There is also the Employee button in the recovery screen where a holiday request can be made. The drop-down list is set at Booking for Me as a default, but they can select any worker from the list. Once they select anyone apart from themselves, the entitlement and holiday usage indications will not be shown. Once a holiday has been requested, your RMS system will automatically send an email alerting whoever deals with holidays, telling them that a request has been made. They can then approve or decline the request, and if a holiday has been approved, the rota will be updated to show that a worker is on holiday.